watchOS 26.4. What's new for Apple Watch? Apple just released watchOS 26.4, and while it may not look like a massive update at first, it actually fixes one of the biggest problems Apple Watch users have been complaining about lately: battery life and performance. Along with that, Apple also added a few useful improvements that make the Apple Watch experience smoother and more reliable. So, if you're wondering what actually changed in watchOS 26.4 and whether you should update, here's everything you need to know. Performance and battery improvements. One of the biggest highlights of watchOS 26.4 is better system optimization. Many users noticed that earlier versions of watchOS could sometimes cause faster battery drain, especially after installing a new update. With this release, Apple focused on improving background processes and overall system efficiency. As a result, the Apple Watch should now feel more stable and consistent throughout the day, with better battery management during regular use. Apps also launch a little smoother, and overall performance feels slightly more responsive compared to the previous version. This type of update may not introduce flashy new features, but it's important because it improves the daily reliability of the Apple Watch. System stability improvements. Another key change in watchOS 26.4 is bug fixes and system stability updates. Apple has addressed several smaller issues that users experienced in previous versions. These include improvements in how the watch handles notifications, syncing with the iPhone, and general system responsiveness. In some cases, users also experience small glitches in apps or delayed responses when opening certain features. With this update, those problems should be reduced, making the watch feel more polished overall. Updates like this are designed to improve the long-term stability of the software, ensuring the Apple Watch continues to run smoothly over time. Health and fitness experience. watchOS updates often focus heavily on health and fitness tracking, and this update continues improving the reliability of those features. Activity tracking, workout sessions, and health data syncing should now feel more consistent. These improvements help ensure that the data collected by the Apple Watch remains accurate and dependable. For users who rely on their Apple Watch for daily activity tracking or workouts, these optimizations can make a noticeable difference during everyday use. Overall user experience. Even though watchOS 26.4 isn't a major feature-packed update, it focuses on refining the experience that Apple Watch users already rely on every day. The interface feels smoother, background processes are better optimized, and the overall system feels more stable. Sometimes these types of updates are the most important ones because they improve the core performance of the device without changing how you use it. So while you may not immediately see big visual changes, the improvements are happening behind the scenes. Should you update? If you're currently running an earlier version of watchOS, updating to watchOS 26.4 is definitely recommended. The update mainly focuses on performance improvements, battery optimization, and system stability, which can help your Apple Watch run more smoothly over time. These kinds of updates help ensure your device stays reliable and continues to perform well throughout daily use. That's a quick look at watchOS 26.4 and what's new for Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Smartwatch Radar, and I'll see you in the next one.